Welcome back to Top Luxury Motorhomes. Today, we're exploring a vision that blends American luxury with futuristic design. The 2026 Cadillac Motorhome concept. Cadillac has always been the symbol of prestige, comfort, and bold design. But imagine stretching that DNA into a 40-foot luxury motorhome. What you get is less of an RV and more of a rolling penthouse on wheels. Stick with me for the next few minutes as we break down the design, interiors, performance, technology, and exclusivity of this jaw-dropping Cadillac RV concept. The first thing you notice is the sheer presence. This is not just a motorhome, it's a statement on wheels. At the front, Cadillac's signature shield grille dominates the design, now scaled up and finished with chrome diamond detailing. The grille is flanked by razor-thin vertical LED headlights, inspired by Cadillac's Escalade IQ. The body is sleek and futuristic, with a two-tone platinum silver and obsidian black paint scheme. Along the sides, chrome accent lines flow like jewelry, while the massive 26-inch alloy wheels gleam like rolling art pieces. And yes, the entry is pure drama. A fully automated staircase folds out, lit with LED strips, making you feel like you're boarding a private jet every time you step in. Step inside, and Cadillac turns this motorhome into a 5-star living space. The lounge area greets you with hand-stitched leather recliners, real wood veneers, and ambient lighting that can shift colors based on your mood. Panoramic smart glass windows surround the cabin, letting you control privacy and sunlight with a single touch. The living room doubles as an entertainment zone with a giant OLED wall display and a surround sound system tuned by AKG. The kitchen is straight out of a luxury apartment. Marble countertops, stainless steel smart appliances, and a hidden wine cooler. Moving into the bedroom, you get a king-sized bed draped in Egyptian cotton sheets, a starlight ceiling above, and custom Cadillac-etched cabinetry. At the back, a spa-inspired bathroom awaits, with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and marble finishes. This is not camping. This is Cadillac-level living on the road. Of course, Cadillac didn't stop at design. Underneath this massive body is a hybrid V8 electric drivetrain that produces around 900 horsepower. Adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride, while four-wheel steering makes maneuvering surprisingly easy for something this size. Noise cancellation tech keeps the cabin whisper quiet, so you feel like you're floating rather than driving. And here's the best part. With the hybrid system, the Cadillac Motorhome can cruise in silent all-electric mode through cities and switch to powerful V8 mode for highways. Inside, Cadillac has packed futuristic tech everywhere. Autonomous driving mode for long-distance cruising, AI-powered navigation that adapts to traffic in real-time voice-controlled cabin systems, lights, climate, entertainment, 360 degrees HD cameras, and radar for safe maneuvering, smart glass windows that tint automatically under bright sun. It feels like a private tech hub on wheels. Now, here's the million-dollar question. What would it cost? A Cadillac Escalade already touches 6 figures. Add the scale, engineering, and ultra-luxury features of this motorhome, and estimates land somewhere between $1.50 to $2 million. It's not for everyone. This is built for the few who want to take Cadillac luxury lifestyle beyond the driveway and onto the open road. In the end, the 2026 Cadillac Motorhome concept isn't just an RV. It's a vision of how Cadillac could redefine travel. Bold, luxurious, and futuristic. So what do you think? Would you take this motorhome across the US on a road trip? Or park it by the coast as your personal rolling villa? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear them. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our next luxury motorhome tour. Until next time, keep traveling in style with Top Luxury Motorhomes.